So I got this new bed today. It's got LED lights on it. Yeah, disco show in here. Oh, different modes. That's pretty cool. You can adjust the speed of it too. Oh, I like that one. Where does it stop flashing? Oh, if you push the color, you can change the colors. Oh, dark red. That's pretty cool. There's an alarm on here too.
This is the full-size bed. It does have the LED lights on the footboard. Very good quality, has a gel consistency protectant layer, and these actually Velcro across the footboard. Also got the comforter, bed skirt, and sheet set from Amazon. This is the headboard. It does have the 2 plugs, and it has the 2 USB plugs as well, and then the light strip behind the headboard. This is cloth material, and then it's all remote control as well. Very good quality. Very impressed. Easy to put together. Definitely serves the purpose.
So we have the product together here. We do seem to have a short in the LED lights, but other than that, it seems to be a very good, stable bed. It does have a really thick center support, which is good if you have a teen boy like I do. It's got pretty good cushioning up here. The charging station has multiple types of plug-ins, so we could do different devices. It was easy to put together. I think it looks very slick, and we're pretty happy with the product so far.
Oh, I'm messing around. Oh, yeah. I'm gonna get it like that.
What, baby?
How did you learn to do this?
I didn't learn to do it.